So today I decided to make cookies and I decided to share this recipe with you. This is very special recipe, very special cookies, because they are from my childhood, from very long time ago. We used to buy them in the stores and they were really popular, and I think they're still popular. People are still making them. The name of the cookies are Kourabie. These are basically not very hard to make. It's like sugar cookies with the jam. You can use any jam you like. I used apricot jam. I preheated my jam a little bit in the microwave so it's easier to manipulate. It becomes more liquidy, but I'll tell you why soon. First, we have to make a dough. As usual, first we have to whip our butter with the sugar, with a little bit of salt, and beat it really well. So it's gonna be fluffy, soft consistency, your butter will become lighter in a color, very nice. And then gradually adding the rest of the ingredients and mixing it very well, but not for long. Otherwise, your cookie will become hard and crumbly and chewy. You don't want that. When you're done with the dough, you need a piping bag and a star tip. So put your dough in a piping bag and pipe your cookies, keeping some distance from one cookie to another, because they will grow a little bit in an oven. But that's not all. Then I'll take my small spoon, dip it in the cold water and make a little well, like a little in the middle of the cookie. Then I use the same little spoon and spoon my apricot jam in this well. Like I said, you don't have to use apricot jam. You can use any type of your favorite jam you have in a fridge, you have it in your pantry. The preference is your jam has to be a little bit acidic, not too sweet. Like raspberry jam, like I said, any jam you like. So when you're finished with that, you put your cookies in the oven, you bake your cookies about 15 to 20 minutes and they're done. They're beautiful, they're delicious, they're crumbly, they melting in your mouth. You really have to make them. As you can see, it was very easy and delicious. And believe me, you will surprise your friends or your family with these cookies. So I hope you will try them. And I'll see you in the next video.